Only definitions we complete.
Yes, sir. Direct speech and yes, sir. Direct speech only definition.
I think about Sweta only we told. Sweta said, I am going to my native place, right? I remember. And after that, I said, Sweta said that she was going to her native place. So when the speaker's words as it is, we write in inverted commas. That is called direct speech.
Yes, sir.
Write the summary of the speaker's words by removing the inverted commas is called indirect speech or reported speech also we call. So now we start and we try to understand many rules. So this is the last chapter which has 12 to 13 marks in the exam.
Last chapter.
Rules for changing. Rules for changing direct speech into indirect. Very important. Listen properly. From Maruna, where's the voice coming from? Please keep in mute. Sushmita Kumari collection. Rules for changing direct speech into indirect. Let's see. First one. So listen carefully. This chapter, today's rules you learn. So there are 4 sentences: assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamative. We complete that. So you can do homework. Lot of homework again. 50 sentences. You can check and do that easily. The reporting verb is in the simple present tense. The tense of the verb. The reported speech. Does not change. This is the first rule. The reporting verb is in the simple present tense. The tense of the verb in the reported speech does not change. So that is main here. If it, 2 points are important. If it is in the simple present tense, reporting verb, so then the tense of the verb in the reported speech does not change. In the indirect speech, no tense changes. So it will remain same. How? So first of all, what is reporting verb? So suppose she says, I am very beautiful. He says I am very beautiful. This is a direct speech. So here it is. Why direct speech? Why is it called direct speech? Inverted commas are there. And she says here. What is this says? This is called reporting verb. Reporting verb. So we call it a reporting verb. So the reporting verb is in simple present tense. What is simple present? Subject plus verb 1. For third person singular, S or yes. I say, we say, you say, they say, he says, she says, it says. If it is there, don't change the tense here. I am very beautiful. Same tense you call. I am very beautiful is nothing. Simple present here also. Same we write. What is indirect speech? So we have to try like this. She says, to remove inverted commas, that. So she says that she is very beautiful. She is very beautiful. Very beautiful. She says that she is very beautiful. So here she says that she is very beautiful. Why she is very beautiful? I said, I am, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. That is the same tense we have to follow. Only what we changed, just I we changed. Who is saying here? She says I am very beautiful. Who is beautiful? That girl is beautiful. So I wrote the same subject, but same tense I am following. So she says, why? Says is a simple present tense. It is a reporting verb. If the reporting verb is simple present, next sentence tense does not change. Same tense we have to follow. Suppose I say direct speech. They say we have lot of problems. Already we have lot of problems. Why do you tell your problem to us? So everyone is like that only. We have a lot of problems. So here, this is a direct speech.
This is
If you, is it reporting verb is in simple present or any other? What did this say? Subject plus verb one, right?
simple
So which-
present.
Simple present. So this is reporting verb is in simple present here. Reporting verb. It is in simple present. So then no change. Same tense we have to follow. But how can we say the answer in indirect speech for that? If you can tell, one rule will be over. Like that, there are some rules. Today we are going to discuss the rules. Then you can rule the language. What is that here? They say.
They have lot of
No, they
They
say
have lot
that.
of
That.
that.
No, in what that. Answer
That-
form sentences we are right. That assertive sentence we say. Assertive sentence. They say that who is we? We means
They-
here
they-
all students and Ramesh are not here. You are saying this. Who is the subject
They.
here? They is a subject.
They
Oh, so we are right that we change it to they here. They say that they, but they what we
have
say?
a lot of problems.
Same
Lot of
here.
problems.
They have. I have. We have. You have. They have. He has. He has.
She has, it has.
So same tense. They have a lot of problems. So this is indirect speech. So this is what you have to know that. So they say we have a lot of problems. They say that they have a lot of problems. Is it clear? First rule. To all of you, tell me. Step by
Yes,
step
sir.
you have to go.
Yes, sir.
What is the first rule? If the reporting verb is in the simple present tense, next sentence tense does not change, right?
Yes, sir.
సబ్జెక్ట్ అంటది
Second rule. Same way.
సబ్జెక్ట్ దట్
Simple future. The reporting verb
క్వశ్చన్ ఫామ్ లకు
Simple future. Yeah. Simple future tense. The tense of the verb. The tense of the verb does not change.
దట్ రాసి ఉందే చెప్పిండు
The reporting verb is in simple future tense. The tense of the verb does not change. So how can we say that? Suppose he will say, I can do anything. Something is given. He will say, shall say, they are all called what here? It is reporting verb is in which tense here?
Future.
The reporting verb in simple future. So will or shall plus verb one. So if the reporting verb is like this, reporting verb in simple future tense, in simple future, then the next sentence tense does not change. Same we have to follow, copy paste. But some change. What changes? Subject changes. He will say that.
That
who is
he
I?
can do anything.
I means what this person is speaking. That's why we have to write that. I can do anything means who? Here I not. He can. Or he also cannot. Can after verb one same. He can do anything. No change. Like that we can make anything.
ఇది డైరెక్ట్
So they will say
డైరెక్ట్ ఫామ్ డైరెక్ట్
okay.
కొట్టినందుకు దట్
we are very strong.
ముందు ఇట్లా అదే చెప్పిండు పిచ్చుకోక
They will say we are very busy otherwise. Every time people say that one. We are very busy. So how can we say that? They will say that
They are busy. They will say that they are busy.
they are busy same because they also be same. I am busy, we are busy, he is busy, you, they, we are only same. So same tense, we are not changing. So they are busy. That's, if they are some, we are going. We are right, they are going. Any tense they give, same tense we are right. Vice are, that is the rule. What is the rule? The reporting verb is in simple future. Next sentence tense does not change in the reported speech. So they are busy. Busy, pronunciation busy, not busy, busy, not. Are you busy? Like business, what Telugu? Busy. Are you busy? Yes, I am busy. She is busy. Let's go to Lizzie. So like that here. Busy. We are busy. They'll say that they are busy. Yeah. So next, Is it clear? If it is clear, we go to third one. So first two are the same rules. One is that the reporting verb is simple present.
Simple
Next
present.
sentence tense does not no change. Any tense is given, same tense we have to follow.
ఏం కావాలా
The reporting verb is
ఇందాక
simple
పని
future.
కింద
The next
ఉన్నది,
sentence
దగ్గర
tense does
అయిపోయింది
not
చూడు.
change. Same, it will be same. So like that you have to know that. Okay, fine.
కావాలా కాళ్ళు
So now
కళ
third onwards there are
రెండు
changes.
కావాలా మూడు కావాలా
What is the third? The reporting verb is simple past tense.
ఏయ్ పోనీ
తాగాని
ఆ,
చల్ల చలి పెడుతుందా
అది తినడానికి అయితే అది
ఏ బిర్యానీ చేయండి సప్పుడు చేయక పన్నీర్లు గిన్నెలు వేసి చేస్తాను.
The reporting verb is in the simple
ఒకసారి
past. Then all changes take place.
కుండలో
Simple past. The tense,
ఏయ్ నువ్వు వినని
will change. The tense of the reported speech
ఫాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ వచ్చా
is changed
ఇంటూ ఫాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్
into the corresponding past tense. Corresponding past tense. Past tenses. Now said or said to comes. There are many changes. So how? So before knowing that sentences, we have to learn some tables. So these tables are important. Later we go for the sentences. Direct speech. What changes will take place if there is a reporting verb be like said or said to. If it is said, simple past. Or if we have said to, there are many changes. What changes? We have to learn the list first. And if you learn this list, maximum the major part will be. So the rules first we have to learn. Later we can change the sentences. So what changes said or said to comes? These many changes will take place. The reporting verb, indirect speech. First one. Suppose here is or am. We have. It will change into what here? Past tense. Related to past. Was it changed? Are is there. Are changes to were.
Work.
Are changes to were.
ఏడికొస్తున్నావు డాడీ
And may changes to
సరే
might.
సరే
May changes to
ఏ
might.
వద్దులే.
Then changes to could.
Could.
Then changes to could. So will changes to would.
నీ ఇష్టం కానీ కావాలంటే నువ్వు తీసుకో. అయితే
Changes to would.
పైసలు తీసుకోవాలా
Shall
పైసలు
changes to should.
అవసరమా అన్న
ఏంది?
Shall
అది
changes to
ఉండాలంటే
should.
ఇవన్నీ వేస్ట్ మళ్ళీ ఎందుకు
Have or has.
రేపు
Changes to what?
చేసుకొని రాదు, అదేం ఖరాబ్ కదా
Add.
అందుకే పోనీ అని
All
గమ్మున
past. Present changes to past all. Shall
పెట్టు.
changes to
నీ ఇష్టం
should.
వచ్చింది చేసుకోరు.
Will changes to would. Already written shall. Shall will over.
జూలు తెలిపాను, జూలు
So shall should will would can could may might. So
డాడ్
Must changes to add to.
మళ్ళా గెటప్ వేసుకుని అవి ఎందుకు అయిపోయి నువ్వేదో పోనీ అమ్మ
Must
తెచ్చి
changes to add to in indirect speech. Or
చికెన్
ought to.
మటన్
According to situation. Obligation.
ఉన్నగా ముంగట పోయి
So now this all part general. Am is changes to was, are changes to were, may, might, can, could, may, will, would, shall, should, have, are, changes to had, must changes to had, to, are, ought to.
ఏయ్
This is one line.
ఏం
Now we
చేయాలి
go for tenses part.
గమ్మున క్లాస్
Tenses are again important to know. How will they change?
నీ వాయిస్
The reporting verb is said to. Past tense. Simple present first. Simple present changes to simple past. Present continuous changes to past continuous. Present perfect changes to
పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్.
past perfect. Present perfect continuous changes to
పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్.
past perfect continuous. So all present tense changes to what? past.
This is the table. ఆ టేబుల్ బట్టి పట్టుకుంది.
Present perfect continuous changes to past perfect continuous. Have noted down up to this?
Sir, 1 minute.
సింపుల్ ఫ్యూచర్.
These tables are important for our direct indirect. But today's class is very important. If you know these rules, then it is easy to complete 4 types.
అడగన్నా
Completed, sir.
All have you all completed?
మీరు స్క్రోల్ చేసి
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, next, only present tense we learn. Simple present changes to simple past. Present continuous changes to past continuous. Present perfect changes to past perfect. Present perfect continuous changes to past. What did we understand from that? Total present tense changes
Present
to
tense
past.
into past tense.
That is up to that, okay. Now we continue. Again, there is rule. Simple past table continues. Simple past remains simple past only in some cases. It won't change. Simple past to simple past. So it indicates simple past to simple past. It is for historical. It won't change for historical facts. Like Charminar was built by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. India got independence on 15th August 1947. If they say same, we are right. India got independence in 1947. Same. We don't change for historical facts. So as it is, keep all of you in me. By resound we are getting. So next, past continues. Actually, generally, what happens? Generally, simple past changes to
సింపుల్ ఫ్యూచర్.
simple past changes to past perfect. Suppose now Anita said, I went to Guntur yesterday. Then what is the answer? Anita said that she had gone to Guntur. Generally, she had gone. So past perfect we had tried. Suppose Padma said, I was watching TV set. Past continuous. So it will change into past perfect continuous. So Padma said, I was watching TV set. Padma said that she had been watching TV. So past perfect continuous. So this is what here. Simple past changes to past perfect. Past continuous is this. Now after that, future. Any future changes to condition. Shall, should, will, would, can, could, like that it will change. Past, future changes to future perfect conditional, future perfect tense, future perfect conditional. Changes to past perfect condition. Past perfect condition. Future perfect conditional changes to past perfect condition. This is a table mainly. So simple past remains simple past. Like India got independence, same India got independence in 1947. Generally, I wrote a letter yesterday. So he said he had written a letter yesterday. Padma said I was watching TV. Padma said that she had been watching TV. Future changes. Suppose here Chandrakala said I will buy a car tomorrow. Chandrakala said that she would buy a car. Tomorrow will change next the following day, next day like that. Future perfect conditional. Suppose here Rani said I shall have finished my work by 5 o'clock tomorrow. Rani said that she would have finished her work by 5 o'clock tomorrow. That's all. That is the changes. All we learn sentences later. But this is a table, one table. This is our third point. Now fourth point. Words expressing nearness, place or time. Place or time. Or changed into. Or changed into. Or changed to. Words expressing distance. Indirect speech. Words expressing nearness in place or time are changed to words expressing distance in indirect speech. What are that? Direct speech, table again. Indirect speech. Who passed away yesterday? Some great cinema lyric writer. Sirivennela Sitarama passed away. We had said. Otherwise, he died, or he had his last breath yesterday. Already great singer. Okay, like Balasubramanyam is no more.
Yes, sir.
And
And Shivashankar Master also.
Choreographer Shivashankar Master also
Yes,
is
sir.
no more. He passed away. Now one singer, one choreographer, one writer. All three people will meet there in heaven, I think. So that's what. So maybe
Who knows?
may their souls rest in peace from our class. Because he's a great writer and wonderful motivational songs.
Yes, sir.
Good songs he has written. Very nice writer. Sirivennela Sitarama Shastri. Okay, fine. Please we remember some good people on this earth. So direct speech, indirect speech. Here some.
ఈసారి ఏంది డు నాట్ డిస్టర్బ్ పెడితే వస్తలే సౌండ్.
అది వస్తుంది ఫోన్. పెట్టిన ఫోన్ వస్తుంది దానికి.
రాదన్న అదేదో సెట్టింగ్ బిస్కెట్ అన్నట్టుంది. రాదు డిఎన్డి పెడితే వెనక బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్లో వచ్చి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది.
Plural. It will be changed. Before.
లేపు ఒకసారి అట్లా లేపా పెట్టి.
Never changes to before. Does it changes to so? Does it so? Hereby. Hereby. It is hereby informed that tomorrow is a holiday. Like that, some announcements we use. Hereby. Thereby. Hereby changes to thereby. Today, even day also. Today changes to that day in indirect speech. So these changes will take place when the reporting verb is in the past. Said or said to comes. So we have to follow all this. Today, that day. Tonight. But this rule is for all. Even anything, if there tonight is there, that night. We have to change in every first also. Tonight changes to that night. So tomorrow changes to the next day or the following day. Tomorrow, the next day or the following day. Yesterday, the previous day. The previous day or the day before. The day before. Yesterday. Last night. The night before or the previous night. Right. Last week. Last week, the week before or the previous week. You know, previous means before. MCOM previous means MCOM first year or final year?
First year,
MCOM
sir.
first year.
year.
Previous day means before day. So MCOM final year, MCOM previous, MA previous we say in PG generally. So the week before. So last month, the month before, or
Previous month.
the previous,
The previous month.
the previous month. Last year also, the year before, or the previous year. Fine. So this is a way we can make last month, last year. So like this we can change. So this is only the list. Now changes to then, here changes to there. Which are near, they will become distance or far. In time and place also here. Now is the time. Then here is a place near, changes to there. Hence it is proved like that. Thence we use that way, this way. This, that, these, those. You know that ago changes to before, thus changes to. So we are hereby informed that hereby changes to thereby, today changes to that day, tonight, that night, tomorrow, the next day or the following day, yesterday, the previous day or the day before, last night, the previous night or the night before, last week, the previous week or the week before, last month, the month before, the previous month, last year, the year before, the previous year. This you have to by heart. There is no way. So today's class, if you really by heart and all that topic is definitely easy because you know tenses, we revised also. We know the rules. Then what is only topic to be completed that we can complete, no doubt. So this is the last year we say. Next point. Have you noted down up to this?
Sir.
Okay, fine.
Wait a second, sir.
So next part in this, I think 4 points we completed, right? 4 or 5
Yes,
points?
sir.
Four, sir. Four, sir.
4. Now fifth point, some rule. The reported speech expresses a universal truth. If the reported speech expresses a universal truth, the tense remains unchanged. Tense does not change, even though if it is said is there, we don't change because universal truth generally they will be expressed only simple present. So even the reporting verb is in the simple past also no change. That is a exception here. The teacher said the sun, example. The teacher said the sun rises in the east. Here the teacher said the sun rises in the east. This is universal truth. Here said actually it is reporting verb in the past. But according to our rule, what we are write here, the sun rose in the east. But the sun rose we don't write. It is a universal truth. Even though the reporting verb is in the past tense, there is no change. It is some exception we say. Exception means special case. So it is EXCEPTN. This is a special case. Actually said comes what? It is simple present tense. It should be changed to simple past.
Simple
The
past.
sun rose, but we are not changing. So we are keeping as it is. Why, sir? Because it is a universal truth. Because it is universal truth. That's why we don't change. We write the same answer for direct. It is direct speech.
Yes, sir.
So it should be changed to indirect speech. teacher said. That we read. That the sun, same, the sun rises. We don't change anything. The bees make honey. Some facts we have. The sun sets in the west. So we don't change. We write as it is. The sun rises in the east. Same. We don't change. Just that extra we are written. Remaining as it is. Is it clear to all of you? Even though the reporting verb is in the simple past, if the sentence expresses a universal truth, in the indirect speech we don't change. The tense remains the same as it is. So that point you have to get. So these are the major points, and some other 2-3 points we have, so that we can complete all rules first, so that we can easily learn the sentences. Next is sixth point. Sixth point is like some note. In that note, first point, sixth one, that is not essential to introduce a statement in reported speech. Reported speech, and it may be omitted. That is not essential to introduce a statement in reported speech, and it may be omitted. Omitted without that also, right? Use that also, no problem. But in modern English, without that also, it is accepted. Example. Generally, answer form sentences, we have to use that. So without that also, it is right. He said. Okay. I have sent the mail. What is this here? Direct speech. So then what we are writing? It is direct speech. Indirect speech is what? He said that. I means here.
He has sent a mail.
He
I
had
means here he.
he,
See, present perfect changes to past perfect.
he
He
had
had
sent
sent.
He had sent it.
the mail.
He had sent the mail.
That's all. It is right. Indirect
Okay.
speech.
ఆ బండి ఇచ్చి ఎట్లా వస్తాడు మళ్ళా
But without that also accept modern English they are saying. Generally we have above sentence only that we use. But if anywhere you find without that the same answer, that is also correct. Without that, skipping that he said that he had sent the mail. That's enough. It is also accepted. Right, he said he had sent the mail. Right. Is it clear now? First note. Actually, in the answer form sentences, we have to use that. After that, rules are same. I have sent present perfect. We change it to past perfect. Present perfect tense. PRPT. So
Yes,
if you change it to what? Past perfect. That is the rule.
Yes.
It is past perfect. Then the rule is same. But without that also, please accept modern English. They are same. So definitely we use that. But sometimes we remove that. Without that also it is right. That is the first rule. First note in sixth point. Second, the conditional in forms such as like would love, would rather, etc. Does not change. They don't change. Example, He said, I would like to go there.
He said that he would like to go there.
You see, direct. We said, I would like to go there. I would like to go there. means I want to go. I would like to. She would like to. He would like to. They would like to. All same. No change. Would like to means what? I want to. Good morning, everyone. I would like to introduce myself. We are telling. I want to introduce myself. Then, whenever you get this type of, there is no change. So here, he said,
He said that
I would like to change. Who would like to?
he would like to go there.
I
He would
changed
like
what
to.
he. So he said that he would like to go to. He would like to go there. Yeah, there is there. Here you don't write. Same only you write. He would like to go there. This is indirect speech. So is it clear? Nothing we change. Would like to. Same. Just I change it to he. That's all. Nothing. So this is one point. I would rather die than speak lies. He said he would rather die than speak lies. Instead of speaking lies, he wants to die. But also would rather. So he said, this is a direct speech. What is indirect
that-
speech? He said that
He said that
He said that he would rather
Would
die
he
than
would rather die than speak lies.
would rather die than would rather after verb one word than speak lies. So what does it mean? Instead of speaking lies, it is better to die. He said that he would rather die than than speak lies. Speaking wrong, speak one. Verb one.
ఆ కుళ్ళే వేసి పోయి అని కవర్లు ఉంటే ఖరాబ్ అవుతాయి అవి రేపటికి బెండకాయలు
This point,
Kulla
I would
isam
rather
rotation.
die than speak lies. I am ready
బియ్యం
to
ఉంటాయి
die
అందులో.
than to speak English, to speak lies.
బయట
So it is better to
Hey,
die
no,
than
no.
speak lies. That is the meaning. He said that he would rather die than no change here. Would rather. Verb one, verb. Would rather plus verb one. No change at all. Should not do. Okay. This is about second rule in sixth point. Third rule. What is third rule? Must. Must while expressing future. While expressing future necessity. Future necessity or compulsion. Changes to the condition. example. He said, I I must leave tomorrow.
He said that he must leave tomorrow.
He said I must leave tomorrow. Right?
He said
That's-
that
That
He must leave tomorrow.
must
he have
changes to no. Must
Ought
changes to
might must
no. Here it is written. No. Must changes to what here?
might
Okay, you don't know. Must changes to. I have already given the table. You see table. Here written. No? Must changes to had to.
Had to ought
Is
to.
it given or not in the
yes sir.
table?
Yes, sir. Had to ought
Why are saying other answers?
Had to.
They're not checking that.
I had to leave.
Ought to also.
He said that he ought to leave tomorrow.
Tomorrow also changes. We learnt rules now because said is a word.
Yes.
He had to leave the following day.
Following day.
He said that he must, he
He
had
ought
to,
to.
or he ought to.
He ought to leave.
Ought to.
Leave.
ఆ టేబుల్
Ought to
రాయలేదా నేను
leave.
Leave.
The next day.
The
The
next
next
day.
day.
వాళ్ళు ఊరుకొని అర్థమైంది
Ought to follow.
He said that he ought to leave, or he had to also write. It is not wrong. But ought to is suitable here. So, or else you can write a had to also. Anyone. Don't write both in the exams. Anyone. So, he said that he ought to is more suitable than had to. So, he said that he ought to leave the next day or the following day. Anyone you write. Actually, tomorrow we can't write. Okay, this is about one rule. On sticks the first, it is related to that. Second one is would like, would love, would come, and all those. Must changes to had to or ought to. 3 points. Same thing we have already learned 6th point. It is 7th point. For simple past, not always. Be converted into past perfect. So already this point we have learned. What does it mean here? Simple past to simple past. Simple past to simple past. Generally, where do we use this simple past to simple past? Historical. So the teacher said,
ఇండిపెండెన్స్ ఇన్ 1947.
That's a direct speech. What is your answer?
The teacher said that India got independence.
In
Same.
1947.
The teacher said
that
same way. Same thing.
Said that India got
India got independence in 1947.
That's so these are the rules. If you learn the rules, you can easily learn all that. These are the all rules background for learning direct and indirect speech, especially answer form sentences and other form sentences also. First one, assertive sentences. We see that. Assertive one. How many possible? We try that. First, what is assertive sentence? Definition.
Answer based.
A sentence which asserts, if we say some answers or declares sentence which asserts or declares something is called an assertive sentence. Example, where are you now, all of you?
I am in class. We are in class.
We are, where are
We
you?
are.
All I asked. So we are in the class. You are answering. Answer form sentence are called assertive. It is assert. You are asserting something, you are answering nothing but positive sentence. Assertive sentence. Suppose what are we here? What are our questions? Students here. We are all students of VIOL. We are declaring. We are students of VIOL. We are
మీ
Indians.
గురించి చూపెట్టినట్టు.
So we are declaring. It is declarative also. Declarative or assertive answer form sentence. Or statements also we can say. Declarative sentence. Or declare something. That's why it is declarative sentence.
Sentence.
We are students of VIOL. So we are declaring that we are students of VIOL. Declarative. Where are you now? We are in the class now. We are saying the position. The assertive answers we are giving. So that is answer form sentences are nothing but assertive or declarative sentence. In assertive or declarative sentence, what changes will take place? The background at least we learn today. The direct speech, indirect speech. Assertive or declarative, assertive, direct speech or indirect speech. So first of all, here this list you take up to date. I have noted down up to this.
Yes, sir.
Direct speech. Indirect speech.
So direct speech, indirect speech, assertive sentences. Suppose, say, first we start reporting verb with say. Then what we added here? Say that, conjunction we added that.
Said that.
Say, says, changes to says that. Says that. The inverted commas are removed. Now future simple shall say, what is given? Same shall say. We don't change any other. Whether you are rich or poor, all rules are same for all. So shall say that. Will say
That.
will say that.
Will say that.
ఈ దిక్కులు చూడకు నువ్వు.
Shall say that, will say that. So will say that. Say that, says that. Shall say that, will say that. Suppose say to Kirana shop, say to.
Say to that.
Say to, not say to. Say to some Telugu people, Kirana shop owner also say to we say. Right?
Say to that.
Say to that wrong. Tell that.
Tell that.
Say to changes to tell that. Say to changes to tell. Says to also changes to tells.
Else.
Tells that. Said changes.
Told.
Said told wrong. Said only. Said.
Said
Said.
to
Said
told.
to
Said.
told. Says to tells. Yeah, said to said only said that. That we added conjunction. Said to they gave. It will be changed to told.
To that.
Who told that? So like that you can try sentences and practice more. So these are the rules we have to follow. Note what is that? That conjunction is used in assertive sentence. So with the rules you can do homework also directly. But I have not told any sentence. But you try some first page, I think. Maybe page number 50 or something. See that I have printed 50 questions. At least 10 or 20 you can do the 2 days class. But we will learn in the next class. We learn only assertive sentence how to change. After that, questions how to change next. And one more class we have to take about imperative sentences and exclamation. Then homework and we conduct Viva also. We got a notice about your last class. I have noted down up to this.
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So there is a notice from office about the last class of the day. Last class for MWF batches is on Monday, 13th December 2021. 13th December is the last. Already today is the 31st class, means other 5 classes. Teachers are requested to conduct Viva before that one. That's all. So Viva also, we after completing this direct, indirect or some other day onwards, before only we try to conduct daily for some people. So that Viva will be over. So that all speaking part test will be over. Only final written test, the date and all will be declared later. You attend the class regularly so that you will know when is your final exam date, everything. For MWF batch, last class is 13th December is the last class. I have already told you about some correction of sentences, page number some 63, 64, 65 or something. You check that. Those also you try. If time permits, we see that. We may not ask in the exam. For general learning, that is useful to you. Phrasal verbs and idiom already we completed 2020. Some 10 missed. That also we learn one day. So phrasal verbs, some vocabulary I told. For starting with the 10 or 20. So you try that. You can read already with answers it is given. First of all, mainly that complete this direct, indirect speech and Viva should be conducted. Time permits, then that correction of sentences. So this is our plan. So try to attend every class because this chapter is very important. In the exam 12 to 13, every chapter is important because small chapter or big chapter, every chapter has 13 marks, 50 marks paper, 12, one is 13, 12, 13, 25, 25, totally 50. So 4 chapters only are syllabus. Okay, fine. So thank you for your cooperation. Anyone that Geeta Pavani, are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready, sir.
Present. Your seminars don't miss. If you miss unnecessarily, you lose 10 marks, right? Just say
Okay.
good morning, thank you, we are giving marks. This is the easiest way. Good afternoon.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. My
Say
number,
your ID card number.
sir, EN
Yeah.
21B
Hmm.
0173, sir.
Yeah, start.
Sir, good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. So today my fourth sir,
Seminar.
seminar, sir. So zero conditional, sir.
Hmm.
Conditional class sentences has two parts, sir. There are if class and main class. Main class is also called as principal class. Zero conditional, sir. Both classes are in the same tense. Generally, universal truths and the general instructions are zero conditional sentences. Example, sir.
Hmm.
If you stand in the rain, you get wet. If you keep milk,
If you stand in the rain.
yes, sir.
If class you are saying, when you stand in the rain, you get. If you stand in the rain, you get wet.
You keep milk in the fridge, it lasts longer. You eat too much, get fat.
If you eat too much.
Yes, sir.
If you
Water,
eat.
if you eat too much, you get fat. If water heats above 100 degrees, it boils.
Hmm.
If you leave